Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. It was a big, big world, but we thought we were bigger. Running each other to the limits, we were learning quicker. By 11, smoking urban, drinking, burning liquor. Never rich, so we were out to make that steady figure. Once I was 11 years old, my daddy told me, go get yourself a wife or you'll be lonely. Once I was 11 years old. I always had that dream like my daddy before me.
Take it! Hey, she's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to ask her to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I didn't have a van, 13 hours till I land. Happy out like a light. I want stuff around my There they go, back in stadiums, the shady bitches flow. Nuts they go, macadamia and they go some of the stick roll. She's wondering if you should spit this slow. No, go for broke, his cups just wanna know what, oh no. We didn't have a bus like this to sell last time that he opened. Pinocchio to poke his nose. Back into the game and they know rap will never be the same as before. Bashing in the brains of these and establishing the name as he goes. And establishing the name is ignited. You can't put it out once we light it. This exactly what I'm talking about when we riot. You deal with the beat you feel, stay inside and lose you feel, to spit you feel, to touch you feel, go fly up out of the mouth of running. Play back up for the way that you got it and how's it taste. When something takes out of your mouth with the bass so loud that it shakes the place. I'm head of a liquor, so just in case you think it is